Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you are worried about content sensation on Telegram, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. So if you open your Telegram and if you are on settings page, then there is not any option like that. Even if I check in privacy and security section, there is not anything like that. So what you can do, just close the Telegram app and open any browser on your device. I'm just opening my Google Chrome. So basically Telegram app doesn't have the feature like that, but the Telegram web has. So what you can do, just close the Telegram app and open any browser on your device. I'm just opening my Google Chrome and search here for web.telegram.org and just hit enter or go and log in your Telegram. So let's log in. Now just tap on this three line here and tap on this settings. Now scroll down and look for privacy and security. Now scroll down and you can see there is a option sensitive content. You can see this is saying show 18 plus content. If you turn this on, you can see the 18 plus content directly in your media section. But if it is turned off, you are not going to see that indirectly. It will be blurry or dotted or something like that. So if you want to see, then just tick mark this, and if you don't want to see, then just keep it as it is. I don't want to see that, so I'm just keeping as it is. So basically this is how you can easily enable or disable sensitive content on Telegram. I hope this video was helpful. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.